Have you ever been in the situation where you have no data on your phone and open an application only to find that it won't actually open properly? How about the app does open, but it looks as if it were made for a different device? Well, these are both results of how non-native applications run. With so many different devices and platforms available now, it is easy for development firms and companies to fall back on non-native applications to speed up their workflow, but it always comes at a cost to the user experience. As users of smartphones and tablets, I am certain that you would prefer each and every app to actually be tailored to run perfectly on your specific device, while having an interface that is designed similarly to other applications that you might use. I'm a developer with a wide range of experience creating web, hybrid, and native applications for mobile devices. I've been able to view the development processes for each of these areas of applications and the end results of them. And although non-native development can take the least time, it almost always results in a performance and design problems. By developers creating native apps, they are able to present you with interfaces that are more designed for mobile devices, smooth and consistent experiences for each platform, and an overall hand-tailored experience that is custom fit to the software and hardware that your device uses. Mobile devices standardly do not have very large screen, and so it is easy for their usability to suffer as more elements take up the screen real estate there. This is especially prevalent in web apps. Sarah Sundqvist, an app developer for Two Toasters, said in her article, "The Advantages of Native Apps," that web apps include elements from the browser such as the search and navigation bars, which clutter the experience. When using a smaller device, this means less space for app-specific controls. There's no room for these elements to always be present on a mobile device. They not only make the interface cluttered, but they also make it feel kind of antiquated, not really as modern as what the device actually is. So, high-quality native applications, unlike web and hybrid apps, along with using screen real estate appropriately, are also more likely to run smoothly without the lag that comes with having to load elements from the web. Raluca Budiu stated in an article on nnGroup.com that speed was the largest reason for native applications being the way to go. She emphasized her point by mentioning Mark Zuckerberg's statement about how his company, Facebook, whenever they chose hybrid applications over native, it was a huge mistake because it really ran slower than what their newer native app does. A custom-fit experience for each and every device ensures that no matter what the application that is running does, it will be supported by the device and not take more resources than it truly needs. JT Mudge from 6 Revisions touches on how native applications are better than web ones due to their ability to actually interface with the device's hardware, such as the camera, the GPS, the accelerometer, and other parts of your phone, such as those. Sarah Sundqvist, then, from Two Toasters, also touches on this by stating that websites are more heavyweight, with extra layers that take up more memory than is necessary. Native apps function more effectively with a user's device to provide a faster, lightweight experience. Case in point, native apps can access every piece of hardware they need on a device, while at the same time requiring far less resources to actually run properly. By creating only native applications, developers are able to provide their users with higher quality designs and interfaces, an extreme increase in performance, and a program that can handle the hardware of the device properly. It is difficult to get an application to run appropriately across all platforms, which often causes developers to take the shortcuts that web and hybrid apps provide. But when they take the extra time for native apps, they're able to present programs that look beautiful and run exquisitely. By encouraging developers to concentrate on native applications rather than hybrid or web apps, users like yourself are able to guarantee yourself a future with a more diverse selection of high-quality native applications on each and every platform.